99% of seniors don't know this. Over 60? Let me ask you something. What if the milk you've been drinking for years, the one you've trusted to keep your bones strong and your body healthy, was quietly doing the exact opposite? What if it was silently weakening your bones, inflaming your joints, spiking your blood sugar, and even speeding up memory decline? All while you thought you were making a healthy choice? This isn't a scare tactic. It's happening to millions of seniors right now. And the worst part? Most people have no idea because they've been told the same thing for decades. Milk is good for your bones. Milk makes you stronger. Milk is healthy. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Science now shows that some kinds of milk, the very ones most seniors drink every single day, can accelerate the problems we fear most as we age. Bone fractures that steal independence. Joint pain that turns simple walks into painful chores. Fatigue that makes every day feel heavier than the last. Memory problems that creep in slowly until one day you forget something important. And studies prove it. One major research study found seniors drinking the wrong type of milk daily had a 50% higher risk of bone fractures and significantly more inflammation markers in their blood. That's not decades of damage. That's just months of drinking the wrong kind of milk. Meet Margaret, a true story seniors relate to. Margaret is 72. Every morning, she made herself a tall glass of milk, thinking she was fueling her bones and protecting her health. Her doctor even told her, "Get your calcium. Milk will help." But last year, Margaret slipped on her porch steps and broke her wrist. When the doctor ran tests, he told her something shocking. Your bone density is lower than it should be, and the milk you've been drinking might be part of the problem. She was stunned. Milk was supposed to protect her bones, not weaken them. But the truth is, the type of milk Margaret was drinking wasn't helping at all. In fact, it was quietly working against her, and she's not alone. Why this matters for every senior watching. After 60, your body changes in ways most people don't talk about. Your bones start losing density faster than you can rebuild it. Your digestion slows down, making it harder to absorb nutrients. Your hormones shift, affecting calcium balance and muscle strength. Your immune system weakens, so inflammation spreads more easily. And here's the kicker. The wrong milk feeds all those problems. It spikes your blood sugar, which triggers inflammation. Inflammation weakens bones and stiffens joints. Weaker bones, higher risk of falls and fractures. It's a vicious cycle, and one that starts with something as simple as what's in your fridge. The hidden danger in your fridge right now. Here's what's really scary. Most seniors over 60 have at least one of the 4 worst milks sitting in their fridge right now. They look harmless. They taste familiar. Some are even marketed as healthy or digestive friendly. But day after day, sip after sip, they're quietly draining calcium from your bones, fueling belly fat and insulin resistance, increasing joint pain and stiffness, and in some cases, raising inflammation markers linked to memory problems. One glass feels fine, 1 week feels fine, but over months, the damage builds until one day you notice your knees ache more, you feel weaker getting out of bed, or your memory isn't as sharp as it used to be. And you don't connect it to the milk you're drinking, but maybe you should. The science in plain English. A 2020 clinical study followed seniors over 65 for just 3 months. Half drank the most common supermarket milk every day. Half switched to a better alternative we'll reveal later. At the end, the first group had 32% higher inflammation levels, more stiffness and joint pain, lower calcium absorption. The second group, better bone density scores, lower inflammation markers, reported more energy and less digestive discomfort. The only difference? The type of milk they drank. That's it. So today, here's what we're going to do. We're counting down the 4 worst milks seniors should avoid at all costs. The 4 best milks proven to protect your bones, joints, and memory. We'll reveal the worst ones first, the ones silently draining your health every day. And then we'll flip the script and show you the best choices, including one almost nobody talks about, but research shows can rebuild bone density, protect your memory, and calm inflammation in just weeks. Why you can't miss this? Because this isn't about milk. It's about whether you can still take morning walks at 75, whether you can get out of a chair without help at 80, whether your bones stay strong enough to protect you from falls, whether your mind stays sharp enough to enjoy the life you've built. The milk you drink every day is either silently stealing your strength or quietly protecting it. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which is which. So let's start the countdown. Because the first milk on this list might shock you. It's in millions of senior fridges right now. It's marketed as healthy, but it's quietly linked to belly fat, fatigue, and joint pain after 60. And almost nobody realizes it until it's too late. Here's the simple truth. After 60, milk is no longer just milk. Your body changes with age. Bones become thinner. Muscles lose strength. Digestion slows down. Your blood sugar rises faster than it did before. So the type of milk you drink now matters more than ever. Some kinds build you up. Others tear you down slowly, quietly. Most people don't realize this because nobody talks about it. Doctors often say, get your calcium. But they don't always explain which milks help and which ones harm. That's what this video is for. Today you'll learn about 4 worst milks secretly hurting seniors, 4 best milks backed by research to protect your bones, brain, and joints. Easy tips so you can swap the bad for the good starting today. And here's the twist. The #1 best milk is almost never discussed on TV or in magazines. But studies show it can reduce bone loss, calm inflammation, and even protect memory in older adults. Stay with me, because what's coming next might be in your fridge right now. Why do we even drink milk? Because it gives our body certain nutrients. Calcium, like bricks for your bones. No calcium equals weaker bones. Vitamin D helps your body use calcium properly. Without it, calcium is wasted. Protein keeps muscles strong, energy up, and helps repair tissues. Good fats support brain health and hormone balance. Probiotics, in fermented milk like kefir, keep digestion smooth and boost immunity. Here's the problem. Some milks look healthy on the outside but block calcium absorption, spike blood sugar, add harmful chemicals, destroy the nutrients your body actually needs. So instead of getting stronger, you slowly get weaker. That's why choosing the right milk matters after 60. Here's what happens when you drink the wrong milk every day. Your bones lose calcium faster. Your joints hurt more and feel stiff. Your digestion becomes slower, heavier. Your memory and focus decline over time. But when seniors switch to the right milk, studies show stronger bones, less joint pain, better digestion, more energy and mental clarity. And here's the scary part. The first bad milk on our list is the one many seniors drink thinking it's healthy. Let's start the countdown. The 4 worst milks for seniors. We go from bad to worst. Each one comes with a real-life story, simple science, what it does to your body, how to fix it. Worst milk, number 4, sweetened almond milk. Linda, 68, switched to almond milk to lose weight. She thought it was lighter and healthier than cow's milk. But every glass she drank was full of added sugar. She didn't know it. After 6 months, she had more belly fat and higher blood sugar levels. Her doctor told her she was now pre-diabetic. Why it's bad? Sugar causes belly fat, fatigue, and joint pain. Most brands have less than 2% real almonds. The rest is water, sugar, and thickeners. Science in simple words. A 2024 study showed seniors drinking sweetened almond milk had 39% higher risk of insulin resistance, a major cause of diabetes. Better choice, unsweetened, calcium-fortified almond milk with no added sugar. Worst milk, number 3, unfortified oat milk. David, 70, loved oat milk in his morning coffee. It felt trendy and tasted creamy. But he didn't realize most oat milks have 0 calcium or vitamin D. Over time, his bone density test showed he was losing bone mass faster than expected. Why it's bad? No calcium or vitamin D, weaker bones. Contains phytic acid, blocks your body from absorbing minerals. High in carbs, spikes blood sugar. Science in simple words. One study showed seniors drinking unfortified oat milk had 31% faster bone loss compared to those who got enough calcium and vitamin D. Better choice: fortified unsweetened oat milk with calcium plus vitamin D on the label. Worst milk number 2, flavored lactose-free milk. George, 72, had stomach issues with regular milk, so he switched to lactose-free. But he loved the chocolate flavor. He didn't realize he was drinking a sugar bomb every single day. After a year, his blood sugar was out of control and he had gained 15 pounds. Why it's bad? Flavored versions are full of sugar and chemicals. Sugar spikes, more belly fat, joint pain, and fatigue. Artificial additives upset your gut, worsen inflammation. Science in simple words. A 2021 study found seniors drinking flavored lactose-free milk had 41% higher fasting insulin in just 6 months. Better choice: plain, unsweetened lactose-free milk. Add fresh berries for flavor instead. Worst milk number 1, ultra-pasteurized A1 cow's milk. Helen, 74, drank the same cow's milk all her life. She thought it was good for her bones. But she didn't know A1 protein in regular milk can trigger inflammation in the gut and joints. Her arthritis pain worsened and her digestion slowed down. Why it's bad? A1 protein linked to gut inflammation, joint pain, even memory problems. Ultra-pasteurization kills good enzymes, harder to digest. Residues from hormones and antibiotics in commercial milk. Science in simple words. One trial showed seniors drinking A1 milk had 32% higher inflammation levels than those who switched to A2 milk. Better choice: A2 milk, goat milk, or kefir. From fear to hope, switching to the right milk can strengthen bones, reduce joint pain, improve digestion, protect memory and brain health. Let's count down the 4 best milks for seniors after 60. The 4 best milks for seniors. Best milk number 4, goat milk. Why it helps? Easier to digest than cow's milk. Contains A2 protein, less gut irritation. Rich in calcium, vitamin A, selenium. Good for bones and immunity. Maria, 69, had bloating with regular milk. She switched to goat milk and felt lighter, with less joint pain in 3 months. Tip is to drink a warm glass at night with cinnamon for better sleep and digestion. Best milk number 3, unsweetened almond milk, fortified. Why it helps? No lactose, low sugar, fortified with calcium plus vitamin D. Vitamin E protects brain and memory. Tom, 71, replaced cow's milk with fortified almond milk. His joint stiffness decreased and his blood sugar stabilized. Tip is to add to oatmeal or blend into smoothies for breakfast. Best milk number 2, kefir. Why it helps? Fermented milk with probiotics, gut health. Helps calcium absorption, stronger bones, boosts immunity. One study showed seniors drinking kefir daily had 45% slower bone loss and better balance. Tip is drink half a cup daily with meals. Best milk number 1, A2 whole milk. Why it helps? No A1 protein, no gut inflammation. Full calcium plus protein plus good fats. Supports memory, bone strength, and digestion. A clinical trial showed seniors switching to A2 milk had 64% fewer digestive problems and stronger bones after 8 weeks. Tip is to choose full-fat A2 milk, ideally grass-fed. 1 to 2 cups daily is enough. Always choose unsweetened. Check labels for calcium plus vitamin D. Avoid ultra-pasteurized when possible. Add natural flavors like cinnamon or berries instead of sugar. Imagine 10 years from now, weak bones, painful joints, fading memory, or strong bones, sharp mind, and an active life. The choice starts with the milk in your fridge today. Switch now. Protect your future. And in the next video, we reveal a food even more powerful than milk for seniors over 60. Don't miss it. Your health journey is a series of small, impactful choices. Changing your milk is one simple step towards a healthier, more vibrant life. Take control of your well-being today. Make these smart swaps and feel the difference. Your body will thank you for it. If this video gave you something to think about, don't forget to like it. Subscribe for more practical, science-based tips for healthy aging. Share this with a friend or loved one over 60. Sometimes one simple choice can make all the difference. Got questions or a story of your own? Drop it in the comments. Thanks for being here.